How to fix attachments are not showing in Outlook. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So if you are having or you are facing problem in Outlook where your attachments your friends have sent you are not being opened, the first step you have to do is make sure you have a very stable internet connection. To do so, simply go to settings, go to connections, and then enable flight mode for a few seconds and turn it off. Then, next step is to make sure you have the latest version of Outlook. To do so, head over to your Play Store or your App Store, then search for Outlook. If there is an update button, simply tap on it and update it to its latest version. If not, you will be good to go. The next step is to clear cache of Outlook. So simply go to settings, go to apps, find Outlook, then tap on it, and on its storage section simply tap on clear cache and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.